Hello again, it's Joey John McGuire. I'm in the Metropolitan Bar in Baker Street, Wetherspoon's Pub. In fact, it's a beautiful Wetherspoon's Pub. Quite full at the moment. It's Good Friday, and I'm sat just below Lord Byron, a picture of Lord Byron. I'm about to recite my latest poem. It's called Importance of Birdsong. It's Good Friday. Not that I am remotely religious. Cotton clouds are drifting slowly over a still blue-grey sky. Earlier I heard a lone bird calling out in song. I heard no reply. I wonder how sad he must have been. Of note, the usual noise from work traffic, the heavy drone of low-flying aircraft, is deemed missing by the silence. Oops, I spoke too soon. Isn't that always the way? I have a heavy heart, brought upon me by the burden of being betrayed, as my recent wound cuts deep into my soul, confirming that hurt never stops for the living, only for the dead, and how I have had my share of hurting. My thoughts are intrusive. What is to become of me? For soon their work will begin, and I will be lost in the deluge of their digging. My tranquil paradise is about to be lost forever, the view from my window permanently changed. It never was perfect, but I shall miss it when it's gone. Though I can reminisce, it's not quite the same. Bad luck on my part, it seems, to be on the boundary of someone else's master plan. One man's paradise is part of another man's dream. With regards to my sanity, I fear I'm forced to move in what will be a reluctant, tearful goodbye to the happiest days of my life that I must leave behind. My friends, my home, my magnolia, all to be designated my past, distant memories in my future, for it seems nothing stands in the way of progress. Time discards everything in its path. Eventually, I have made protest, but to no avail. It's hard to be heard when you're old, poor, and invisible, especially when people don't care. It's a cruel world, and I am told I should be grateful I have lived so long, and thankful for small mercies. Life meets out the pain, shows no concern for the suffering. I have asked to go to the Hebrides, but it seems the inhabitants are reluctant. I am English, therefore not part of their dreams either. Devon is suggested, but it is a place of second homers, all outsiders unwelcome, and I've tasted unwelcome before. There is London, the final insult, my daily life complying to someone else's calendar. It's not for me. Wherever it is they put me, let's hope there is a little bird sitting on a branch nearby, singing bird songs to comfort me in my quiet, reflective moments through times of my greatest need. That poem is especially written for my Prime Minister, Theresa May. I shall send it next week.